What's up, my people? What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? So, as you all know, my name remain the same, Crown Forex Academy, the same person that you guys know to be Crown Forex Tips, right? So, what I have for you guys today is just the market analysis, most especially the zone you should be watching out for in this coming week, right? So if you are just watching it for the first time, so what you can do for yourself is just to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the subscribe button so that anytime we upload videos like this, you will be able to grab and gain one or two things from it, right? So, like I said, welcome back, everyone. What I have for you is just to look at the zone, right? The zone that you guys should be watching out for in this coming week, right? So that at least you'll be able to catch more pips in the market. So, without wasting much of our time, I want to make this video as short as possible so that you guys can watch it over and over again till you understand the market structure and the zone you should be watching out for. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into the chart right away. This USDCAD daily time frame, right? As you can see, this daily time frame. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening on weekly time frame. Let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. Okay, yeah, we have daily time frame. Okay, So what you guys okay, I think I can see some possible entry. Yeah. So let's plot our trend line. If you have not watched my my video on trend line, on how to use trend line effectively, you guys can easily watch it. So I'm going to drop the link at the comment section so you guys can actually go back and easily watch it, right? You can easily watch that, and so we can see some trend line here, right? So generally we can see that the market is uptrending, right? The market is uptrending from this point to this point, right? So the market is an uptrending market. So we are just looking for the possible entry, right? So we are just looking for the possible entry. Let's go back to the daily time frame. But on the daily time frame, the market is trying to move to the downside, which is the downtrend. But we are still good because the high time frame is still on the on the uptrend. So we are still good. So let's see. Here we have a liquidity. There's a liquidity in here. There's a liquidity here, right? There's a liquidity here. I can see a possible liquidity here. So basically liquidity means money. That's where the money is, right? So I can see a possible liquidity here. Also this zone ball. I'm not going to consider that yes unless I see my other confirmation. As you guys know, I'm a patient trader, right? I'm a patient trader. I trade when I see all my confirmations. If I don't see confirmation, I don't take trade. So that's how patient trader take their trades. So let's go to the 4 hours, right? Let's see what's happening on the 4 hours. Let me close this. Let me close this. Let's see what's happening on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, I can see there's liquidity here as well, right? So there's liquidity here, but these 4 hours on the high time frame, which is daily, I would prefer to go on the high time frame. And the reason is because the market has already tested this, right? The liquidity started from here. As you can see, the market has already tested this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So there's high possible tendency that the market would actually not respect this zone. So I won't bother myself unless I see all my confirmation. As you can see, the market has not tested this zone. We have the trend line. We have the trend line on this zone. At this zone, right, we have the support. We have the support and we have a liquidity zone. That's 3 confirmation, right? That's three confirmation already without even doing much analysis, right? So basically what you guys should be expecting, or what I will be expecting for USDCAD in this coming week, is for the markets to do what? To actually come from here down to this possible zone, right? Down to this possible zone. Let me cancel this. So from this right to this possible zone, test this trend line and the liquidity zone, and also the support zone, right? And then take my buy position, right? So that's basically what I will be watching out for. Buy position, right? Buy position. So buy position at this zone after seeing my other confirmations, right? So if you guys have your confirmation that you use before taking your trade, so this is a possible zone, a very good zone, right, that you guys should be watching out for. So if I'm taking my trade here, definitely I'm not going to take it on a long time frame, right? If you are a day trader, right? If you are a day trader, you can just catch some pips here, because as you can see, the market has created a lower low here. The market has created a lower low here. But that doesn't mean on the high time frame the market would still respect that market structure, right? So if you are a day trader, you can take that, but just take a little pips and then cash out your money. But as a swing trader, I'm actually doing this video for basically the swing trader, so that you can actually catch some pips. I mean, good pips. If you can see from year to year, right? From year to year, even from year to year is 215 pips. So I think that's a good pips that you guys should be watching out for in this coming week, right? So basically that's what I think I have for you, USDCAD. So this is the zone you guys should be watching out for. And once the market gets here, if you guys see your possible confirmation, just go and take the trade. Or as you already know, we have three confirmation already. The trend line, once the market gets here, the trend line, right? And the trend line happens to be what? Happens to be the third touch. If you have not watched my trend line video, once again, you can go back and watch it. This is the first, this is the second, and possible if the market comes here, it will be the third touch on the trend line. So we have the trend line, which is our first confirmation. We have the liquidity zone, right, which is our second confirmation. And we have the support zone on the high time frame. If I can confirm that once again, the support zone on the high time frame, I think that's weekly. Yeah, that's weekly. So we have three confirmation already at this zone, right? So basically that's the zone I will be watching out for to catch more pips. And like I said, for swing traders, just to catch more pips, right? Just to catch more pips. That's like 276 or 215 or thereabout, right? 230 thereabout. If you find this video interesting, just click the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you want us to show a video or shoot a video on any possible topic when it comes to the forex trading, just drop it on the comment section. That's the reason why we are here, guys. So you guys should be watching out for this zone. This is the buy zone. I personally will be watching out for. As you all know, I'm a patient trader, and I trade when I see all my confirmation. I have three confirmation already at this zone. So this is where I will be watching out for to take my trade and then take it long, right? So